Welcome back. Up to we discussed about the overall frequency modulation, particularly single tone frequency modulation means we send a single message line, a single tone amplitude modulation and single tone frequency modulation and single tone SSB means that mm, there is a there is no lot of difference between the actual equation and this. Just we assumed we send a single message signal at a time. That's why it multi-tone means at a time we send different message signals from the transmitter. Okay, so this is the time domain the explanation or expression of the frequency modulation. They are also called single tone modulation. So you just observe this equation. Since the FM wave is a non-linear function of the modulating wave, the frequency modulation is a non-linear process. The analysis of non-linear process is the difficult task. In this section, we will study single-tone frequency modulation in detail to simplify the analysis and to get the true understanding about the FM. So overall, the uh, FM signals generates the so many bands. It means in case of amplitude modulation, there are two sidebands only. But in case of FM, and there is a infinite number of bands continuously it produces the sidebands. Okay, so we don't. Sorry, this is very what is called. This is very unable to analysis deeply for that entire side bands. Okay, that's why here we use a simple FM signal. That's why it is called single tone frequency modulation, because here the raise in the voltage causes the raise in the frequency. It means the frequency converts the converted into the voltage converted into the frequency. That's why it is called the non-linear process. Okay, let us consider our single tone sinusoidal message signal defined by means a message signal. So here the single tone, that's why here noted as n of t, an cos 2 it is the 2n fnt, sorry, 2 pi, it is a print mistake, 2 pi fnt. The instantaneous frequency is f of t equal to fc, f of t equal to fc plus kf an cos 2 pi fnt. It means um, the deviation of the frequency occurs here. That's why it indicated as k pi an is nothing but deviation of the frequency. We already dealt about this. Okay, delta about this. Delta f equal to kf into an. It is the amplitude. We know theta of t. In that previous classes, in that slide, we indicated this theta of t is indicated as psi of t. Okay, psi of t. Okay, so here it is indicated as theta of t. So theta of t equal to 2 pi fct plus 2 pi kf integral over 0 to t m of t into dt. In we discussed in previous class, but in that m of t, the m of t, actual m of t is am cos 2 pi fmt. That is the actual m of t. So in order to expand this, the equation like this: 2 pi fct, 2 pi kf as it is, m is the constant, and integral over cos, that is the rewritten as integral cos is the sine theta by theta. That's why sine 2 pi fmt by 2 pi fm. Okay, next that is k kf am by fm. This kf am by fm related as delta f by fm. um, just expand equation like this, then get cancelled, 2 pi gets cancelled, then kf am by fm sin 2 pi fmt, 2 pi fct plus delta f by fm sin 2 pi fmt. This delta f by fm is nothing but a modulation index, mi, modulation index. We already mm, I already told in previous section, at the time of discussion of the modulation index, the deviation of frequency to the modulating frequency is the modulation index. That modulation index denoted by here beta. Beta means uh, modulation index of the frequency modulation in FM, modulation index in the FM. So theta of t equal to 2 pi fct beta f sin 2 pi fmt. This is the our singleton equation, where beta f, it means modulation index, is delta f by fm. That is nothing but delta f means kf into am. It means the frequency sensitivity into amplitude of the modulation signal over the frequency of the modulating signal. Okay, so finally the FM signal, singleton FM wave is expressed as SFM of t equal to AC cos 2 pi fct plus, here the pf is not a printing mistake, beta f sin 2 pi fnt. This is the desired desired time domain expression of the FM wave for the singleton. Similarly, the singleton equation related for the phase modulation also, phase modulated also. This is like that. Okay, this is the singleton phase modulated wave. You just rewrite that expression by comparing with the modulating frequency modulated FM wave. Okay, you just compare the both AC cos 2 pi fct plus, here the kp an cos 2 pi fct. In case of FM, modulation index is bf, beta f. In case of phase modulated, beta p. Similar procedure same. So bp equal to kp into a. Okay, this is the singleton frequency modulation expression. So we conclude that the notations, the final expression is the final expression this is the final expression. FM wave expression for singleton AC cos 2 by fct plus beta sin 2 by fct. And sometimes in some expressions the sin and cos terms are changed and interchanged. For the simplicity, there is no problem. For this implication process, some textbooks or some others are take the sine and cosine um, waves for the simplicity purpose. So you can understand and observe that simple point. Sometimes the notations may change the sine and cos depending on the waves we taken. Okay. This is about the single tone frequency modulation.